And I'm Emlyn.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. Today is May 1st.
Which means that there are 23 days left of school.
I'm so excited.
Same. Today is the last day of Spirit Week. The theme for today is soccer moms versus barbecue dads.
Oh, and today is Law Day as well.
That means to reflect on the role of law and foundation of the country.
And we have a few birthdays for today.
Like who?
Tim McGraw, Charlie D'Amelio, and Gianna Bryant.
And it's National Batman Day. I love Batman.
I love Batman!
Okay, well, moving on.
It's the 121st day of 2025.
Already?
And it's Teacher Appreciation Week this week. Thank you to all of our staff members and teachers for helping us get through the school year.
Thank you. Lunch today will be drumroll, please. Orange chicken and rice.
Yum!
8th grade field trip eligibility requirements: no more than 3 minor infractions, Tier 2, and no major infractions, Tier 3. Starting May 12th until the end of the day of the field trip, students must be passing 5 out of 7 classes, which means you cannot earn a failing grade in more than 2 classes. The final grade check will be June 9th.
The 6th graders will be leaving for outdoor school next week at Cape Renema on the Oregon coast next Tuesday, May 6th. They will be returning early Friday afternoon. Let's give a big shout out for Miss Jones for organizing this field trip for our 6th grade class. Without her, this trip would not be possible. Good luck to the softball team, who will have a home game against St. Paul on Monday. The track team has their district invitational meet on Monday. Both the softball and baseball teams have home games against Harrisburg on Wednesday. Spring Fling celebration and dance will be held. Music, drinks, and lots of fun.
Are you ready for the joke of the week?
Yeah!
Okay, but what's the sheep's favorite food?
What?
Barbecue.
Are you ready for the character of the week?
Yeah.
Drum roll, please. Cookie Monster from Sesame Street.
I love Cookie Monster.
Same.
This week's snack of the week is hard-boiled eggs.
Oh, not my favorite. But guess what the fact of the week is?
What? This sounds fun.
Koalas have fingerprints, just like humans, making each koala's fingerprint unique.
Okay, here's the update of Jackie and Shadow, the eagles that are nesting in Big Bear Valley. Sunny and Gizmo endured a small snowstorm Saturday night.
Okay, well, I think that's all for the CMS Broadcast. Bye!
Oh my gosh, Brooklyn, we forgot about who won the canned food drive.
Who won?
7th grade.
Okay, well, now I think that's all for the CMS Broadcast. Bye! Hi, I'm Brooklyn.
And I'm Emlyn, and it's not rolling.
It is rolling. Oh,
No, it's not.
there you go.
Okay, just a second. Let's let them get settled.
She's starting over, so. You want to get it hitting on the floor and then we can start recording. Can you just turn me? Okay, good?